Yeah, good morning, everyone. Hi, guys. Yeah, I just want to show you two things that's very new in the Node.js. Start from Node.js version 20 upward. But currently, I'm using Node Node versions of. Let me check. Now it's 20, currently it's 24, and I'm using Bone also. Let me check the Bone. Bone is latest, which is 1.2. But currently, I want to use Bone. Born is the latest runtime that replacing the node and very blitz fast, very blitz fast. So let's quickly. I've already init this project just for an example. Just two things I want to show you. Number one is we have trashed .env. We're no more using .env again. Either we are using Node or Born. No more um, .env. And second one is NodeMon. No more NodeMon again. All these things are all inbuilt now in these latest versions. So I will show you. Okay, let's show you my packaging. Consider that in our script we don't have what they call it. We don't have .env. We don't have NodeMon, right? And the most exciting things about this latest version is that let's start. I'm using you can see it's not normal like Node.js, npm, but I'm using Born. So Born run def, Born run def. This is now these are env the environments .env, which is environment variables. So I have port 780. So you can see now that it automatically pick without install .env, or it automatically pick it. Look at it from here. Let's look at it now. .js file. In this uh index.js file, this is it here. This is what it's called. This line 8 is calling this port. But now I want to make it to understand something. I didn't put the right spelling. I don't want to default to that three. Let's quickly restart it again. This is now, I'm restarting it now because there's no node more, right? I'm restarting my server because there's no node more. This is it. There's an error. It said, please, this is what I wrote. Console the log, please set the ports. Cancel now, please set the ports because it's not correct. Let's try it again. Let's write port. So it's good to pick it from the just write call consport equal to process.env.port. Then let's start again. Let's our server again. Very fast. Born very fast, unlike npm. Born is very, very fast. I love it. Those days I've been using it to build my project. I'm used for my project, sorry. And let's quickly look at it again. So that's for the env. But for it to be very sure that this .env is working, so that you need to write one word. What's it? Let's go to our packaging. So for it to be sure that you are calling it, maybe if it's working on your system, on your development um on development mode here, but maybe when you deploy it, it's not working. Maybe it's going to work, but for it to be sure that it will work, this is what you are going to write. Let me show you. You are going to say, I feel, double I feel, heavy, heavy, I feel, fire. Yeah, thank you. You're going with me. So, dot fire, heavy, I feel fire equal to dot heavy. Yes, correct. So this shows that instead of you to install .env, just write this line of code or like this line of word. It automatically pick. It will look for when you're starting this. When starting index justice, it look for these guys. You look for it. Then second one, And talking about node more, that's I need to, if I do anything, if I make any changes, if I make any changes here, I need to restart my server again. Understand? So it's not a change. So now, for that change to take place, instead of writing node more, you need to pull this one. You need to write just space, just put it in the place of this guy. Just say if watch, watch, watch. That's all. This watch, it has replaced is inbuilt that replace node more. Understand? So let's try it again. Let's try to start our server and see how it will work very fast. So now let's try to make some changes here. Maybe it will change. You see it. Wow, it's working very fast. So you see it now. It has break because that watch is working. Another one again. Let's start it again because it have server have stopped. Let's start our server again. Let's see another one. Where can I do it again so that do you understand what I'm saying? That's how I'm doing now. Let's do something. Let's write word. You see changes now. It's changing. You see it's changing. So that's I've watched. I've replaced node more. Thank you so much for watching.